Beauty fades, but influence lasts forever. The question is, will people remember your face or will they remember your name? Welcome to 5 Minute Genius, the channel where we uncover powerful ideas that help you make wiser, sharper, and life changing decisions. Today's topic is one that cuts deep into modern culture: how to be iconic, not just pretty. Because let's face it, being pretty might catch attention, but it doesn't hold it. Looks can spark curiosity, but they can't build legacy. To be iconic means to transcend appearance. It's about presence, influence, power, and the ability to shift the atmosphere when you walk into a room. And in a world obsessed with surface level beauty, the ones who stand out, the ones we call unforgettable, are those who embody something much greater. So in this video, we'll break down the three elements that transform someone from simply attractive to truly iconic. But first, let's set the stage. The illusion of beauty alone. We live in a society where beauty is glorified. Billboards, social media feeds, ads, movies, they all tell us the same lie. If you look good, you will be remembered. But here's the reality: looks fade. What society calls pretty today may be irrelevant tomorrow. And there's always someone younger, someone with sharper features, someone society deems more perfect. If all you rely on is beauty, you're standing on quicksand. You will constantly chase validation, comparing yourself, and slowly drowning in insecurity. The fear of losing relevance will haunt you, but those who are iconic, they don't play that game. They stand apart because they know beauty is temporary, but character, influence, and presence are eternal. Transition. So, how do you make the leap? How do you go from pretty to unforgettable? From admired to iconic? Let's break it down. The transformation, the three pillars of being iconic. Pillar 1: the power of presence. Icons are remembered not for their faces, but for the energy they project. Presence is about how you carry yourself, your body language, your eye contact, your tone of voice. Think of someone like Audrey Hepburn or Muhammad Ali. Their legacy isn't just about looks, it is about a presence so powerful that it demanded attention without them saying a word. Presence comes from self respect. It comes from the way you enter a room, not begging for validation, but commanding respect through calm confidence. When you stop trying to be noticed and start embodying confidence, people can't help but notice you. Transition, but presence alone isn't enough. The second pillar makes the difference between temporary attention and timeless impact. Pillar 2: the power of depth. Pretty faces are everywhere, but depth, wisdom, intelligence, values is rare. An iconic person is not defined by their reflection in the mirror, but by the strength of their mind and the richness of their soul. When you speak, do your words carry weight? When you act, do your actions align with something bigger than yourself? Depth means cultivating your mind, feeding your curiosity, and refusing to live superficially. It means becoming someone whose presence sparks thought, someone who inspires respect even in silence. The danger of staying shallow is this: without depth, beauty becomes a mask. And when that mask slips, there's nothing underneath. But with depth, you become someone who leaves an imprint long after you're gone. Transition, and yet there's a third piece: the spark that truly makes someone unforgettable. Pillar 3: the power of distinction. Icons are not copies, they are originals. They don't blend in, they stand apart. Distinction means daring to live differently, to express your truth without apology. It's about cultivating your own style, your own voice, your own identity, so much so that even if people forget what you said, they'll never forget how you made them feel. Think of the greats, whether in art, music, leadership, or history. They weren't remembered for being perfect, they were remembered for being authentic, bold, and unapologetically themselves. Distinction requires courage. It means facing the fear of rejection and still choosing to stand out. But without it, you'll be another face in the crowd, noticed for a moment, forgotten forever. If these words are resonating with you, if you feel that fire inside saying, I don't want to just be noticed, I want to be remembered, then this is the place for you. Subscribe to 5 Minute Genius right now, because here we don't just chase surface level success, we build wisdom, power, and depth. And if you want to be more than pretty, if you want to be iconic, then hit that button and join a community of thinkers and doers who refuse to settle. The resolution: becoming iconic. So let's bring it all together. Being iconic is not about perfect features, expensive clothes, or likes on a screen. It's about something far deeper. To be iconic, you need three things. One, presence, the calm confidence that commands respect. Two, depth, the wisdom and values that create lasting influence. Three, distinction, the courage to stand out as your authentic self. When you embody these, you transcend beauty. You move from being admired for how you look to being remembered for who you are. And that is far more powerful than any filter, any trend, any passing idea of what's pretty. But let me leave you with a warning: the world will try to pull you back into the shallow game of validation. It will whisper, just look good, that's enough. Don't listen, that path ends in emptiness.